How to add a fade to black effect in Kdenlive. First of all, open your project in Kdenlive and locate the clip where you want the fade to black effect to begin. Next, hover your mouse over the top right corner of the video clip. You will see a red circle appear. This is the fade out handle. Click and drag the red circle toward the left to create a fade out. This automatically fades your clip to black. If you are fading in from black at the start of the clip, use the green circle on the top left corner and drag it to the right. Once the fade is added, play your video and you will see the fade to black effect applied smoothly at the end. You can also fine-tune the duration using the fade controls that appear on the right panel after applying the handle. And that's it. Now you know how to add the fade to black effect in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.